How to use Clipboard History in Windows. Here's how to use Clipboard History in Windows. Normally, Windows only remembers the last thing you copied. But with Clipboard History, you can save multiple copied items and paste any of them whenever you need. To get started, click the Start menu and open Settings. Next, go to System and select Clipboard. Here, turn on the Clipboard History toggle. Now, start copying text as you normally would, using Ctrl+C. Windows will save each copied item in your Clipboard History. Whenever you want to view your copied items, simply press Windows+V on your keyboard. A Clipboard History window will appear, showing everything you've recently copied. Click any item to paste it instantly. If there's a piece of text you use frequently, click the pin icon to keep it in your clipboard even after restarting your computer. You can also click the More menu next to an item to delete it, or use Paste as Text to remove any formatting before pasting. If you enabled Clipboard Sync, your synced clipboard items will also be available on your other Windows devices that are signed in with the same Microsoft account and connected to the internet. If pressing Windows+V doesn't open Clipboard History, make sure the feature is enabled in Settings. Also, Clipboard History stores only text, HTML, and images smaller than 4 megabytes, so larger files won't appear in the history. And that's it. That's how you can use Clipboard History in Windows to copy, manage, and paste multiple items more efficiently. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.